When I just walked through this intersection a few seconds ago, the same thing happened here as happened at the Stewart and Denny intersection. A pedestrian, older, senior, probably my age, was walking across the that marked pedestrian walkway where that gold, where this car with the green matches on top is, with a signal light. Drivers were coming from here, from Jackson Street, and a driver stopped for the pedestrian, and the vehicle behind it started honking his horn like ba 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 ba, and it just points out again the extreme danger of Seattle's Department of Transportation in allowing vehicles to be turning on walk signal while pedestrians have a walk signal light. It's a recipe for catastrophic injuries and or death for pedestrians. Hence the campaign for all-way walk signal light intersections, of which there's only 5 currently in the city. And this is actually light traffic now. It's early afternoon, I think about 1:30 or so. This intersection, Rainier, Jackson, 14th and Bourne, is one of the worst intersections in the city, both for pedestrians, bicyclists, and drivers. And again, this is a light traffic at this time of day. At another intersection a couple of blocks down, which we'll get to where the signal light is, the vehicles are regularly stopped on Rainier in the middle of the intersection, and pedestrians have to dodge the vehicles when they're trying to cross on a walk signal light there. Extremely dangerous.